So guys, in this video I have a very interesting story, and I think it should serve as an example to you, so probably you can avoid it in the future or you can learn from it. So this is a tablet. It is for a client who brought it to us. He had taken it to a certain shop and he replaced the screen. However, when she took it home, she realized that part of the screen was not sensitive. So they replaced this top screen, which works as the touch, around a week ago, and she was really disappointed when she discovered that part of the sensor was not working. So when I looked at the screen, I saw that the tab had just been repaired. I asked her, did you leave the tablet to the technician and he came to pick up later? She said no, I had to wait because I wanted to go with it. Then I told her I should not blame those people for failing to fix this screen well, because you never gave them enough time, and that's why you see that part of the screen is not sensitive. So some part here is not working. These letters this side are working perfectly, but when you reach here you can see I'm pressing H, G is coming up. I'm pressing U, they're all coming together with Y. When I press Y, T comes up. When I press G, F comes up. When I press V, C comes up. X, Z comes up. R, E comes up. W. So you can see all the screen is messed up. So when I also looked inside, I saw that when they were trying to remove the old screen, because they usually use some kind of tools like this, or tools that you can apply inside, and it can hold the part of the glue inside, and that glue can go onto the LCD. If you look closely inside here, let me take off this top. So if you look inside, you can see that there are some glue marks, and these glue marks are on the LCD, and you can even see some fingerprints. So this is very, very unprofessional, and I want to caution you guys, if you think you cannot fix the device perfectly in a short period of time, promise the customer to wait. Let the customer go and let him give you enough time so that you can do a professional job. Right now the screen looks very ugly inside and still is not sensing. So let me open it behind and you see. So this is the LCD, but you can see a lot of glue is on top of the screen, and even there are a lot of fingerprints. So this is really dirty and really looking bad, and the customer will not get pleased. So it is good to do same-day repairs, but this is really bad, because now the customer will have a bad reputation about your work, and you might end up spending twice, because if this client went back to the shop where they fixed this screen, they were going to have to put another screen, which was going to cost them money and time at the same time. But she was extremely disappointed that she never wanted to go back there, and she had to come here. So we have got another screen, and this time we have got a white screen, and it's the one we are going to replace for. However, before we replace this one, let's first clean up all this excess glue that is on the LCD, and then replace this new screen. So to remove this glue, I have to use something like a napkin or a tissue and use this chemical, because this chemical is good at melting the glue, and since I'm wiping on top of the screen, it will not do any effect onto the screen. But I should avoid for this one to touch into the white frame, because the white frame will also now start dissolving and will bring a white paint. So you can see right now the screen is looking as good as new. So now we are going to replace the screen, but before we replace it, we have to test it and make sure that every point works exactly as it should. So here you can start with the top buttons. So you can see every position we press, the letter which is in that position is the one that is shown on the screen. I'm going to end this video here, but avoid rushing this type of work, because if you rush it, then you're going to lose either both or basically lose all, because the client may not come back and then that will be a bad repetition for you. You might end up fixing 2 screens on the same cost because you did the first screen while rushing. So before you promise a same-day repair or an instant repair, 30 minutes repair, look at the device and know what it takes to fix that device successfully. So if you like this video, you can share it, and if you have any question, you can put it in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.